Hello guys, in this video we will discuss can you use WhatsApp, Facebook and Instagram on your new Galaxy Fit 3 Smart Band. So without any further delay, let's jump to the video. Samsung has finally launched Galaxy Fit 3 in the market and now many users want to purchase it. Samsung has added new features to the Smart Band and also it has increased its screen size. And due to this reason, many users think that there is no difference between Galaxy Watch and Galaxy Fit 3. The users think that they can use all Galaxy Watch features inside Galaxy Fit 3. But that's not correct. Galaxy Watches are different and Galaxy Fit series is different. So many users ask me whether they can use WhatsApp, Facebook and Instagram on their Galaxy Fit 3. On Galaxy Watch, you can download plenty of apps. And also, most important, official WhatsApp app is available for Galaxy Watch series, including Galaxy Watch 4, Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Watch 6. But that's not the case with Galaxy Fit 3. You cannot use any app on Galaxy Fit. So my final answer is no, you cannot download WhatsApp, Facebook and Instagram on Galaxy Fit. But yes, you can get notifications for these apps. You have to just activate notification for these apps and after that you will receive all notifications on your Galaxy Fit. And for that you have to open Galaxy Wearable app. In Galaxy Wearable app, now open band settings. Here you will see notification option. Now click on it. Now again click on app notifications. And now activate the toggles for Facebook, WhatsApp or Instagram. And after that, all the notifications will be delivered to your Galaxy Fit. Also note that the experience for notifications is not that good. You can't reply to them with voice note, Samsung keyboard or any other methods. Yes, you can only use smart replies. And also in the notifications, you can't view images, stickers, emojis or other file formats like audios and videos. For that experience, you have to purchase Galaxy Watch series. I hope you understand everything. If you like the content in this video, then please hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.